Hello guys, this is Noah and you're watching Noah Tech Station. So in this video I have a quick update for you guys and for all the Apple fans. Actually today is the first event of Apple in 2021. So guys, in today's event Apple is launching some new products, which is iPad Pro, iPad Mini, iPad Air and the new iMac as well. So first we are going to talk about the new iPad Pro. It has a similar design as last year. Maybe you will going to see a new telephoto camera as well in this iPad Pro. So this year iPad Pros comes with a new display which is based on the new mini LED technology, and the new iPad Pros also support 5G, so you will hear 5G a lot of time in this event as well, like last year. Just kidding. If you talk about the cameras of the new iPad Pros, it is going to be same as the previous iPad Pros, like 12 megapixel of main camera, 12 megapixel of ultra wide and the LiDAR sensor. Or maybe you are going to see a new telephoto camera as well this year, like a 12 megapixel telephoto camera like the iPhone 12 Pro lineup also have. So maybe the design of the new iPad Pro, it is going to be similar as the new iPhone 12 Pro. And the chipset of the new iPad Pros is going to be A15X Bionic. Or maybe you will see the new M1 chip as well in the new iPad Pro lineup, but Apple didn't say anything about it, so maybe you are going to see the same A15 Bionic chip, A15X Bionic chip in the new iPad Pros. If you talk about the new iPad Mini, maybe you are not going to see any changes in the design in the display because Apple wants to make this iPad Mini more affordable for users, so that's why you will not going to see any major changes in the new iPad Mini. And one more thing that I need to mention here is the new Apple AirTags. As we seen previously in the leaks and the rumors that Apple also want to provide you the new AirTags, because last year Samsung provided you that, and the major reason Apple launching this is just to compete with Samsung. And if you talk about the new iMac, maybe it is coming with new 5 colors, but maybe you will not going to see the new iMac in this event. Hopefully you will going to see the new iMac in the upcoming April's event, which is WWDC 2021. So let's see what Apple is providing you in this event exactly. After this event I will give you all the updates what Apple is providing you this time in this event. And if you like this video and if you want to support me, support my channel, do subscribe to my channel and do like my videos and share this channel with your friends as well. Thank you for your precious time. Bye.